folks, so today I am going to talk about various serious concerns that I have been facing lately. With the monsoon seasons, the issue of rat bites in the vehicles become more. So I need to protect my scooty from the damage and save on the huge bill of repair. This weekend, while I was doing some work on my scooty, I had discovered that the rats had eaten two of my wires. One was the side stand switch wire and other was the ignition coil ground wire. I have replaced both of them, but of course it costed a huge. But then I wanted to have something which can permanently stop this problem. Then I come up with this magical bitter, powerful rat repellent spray with no trapping, no killing and no poisoning formula. This intense bitter formulation of the spray coats inflicts powerful shock to the rodent mouth which stops them from coming back. So it's bhago rat bhago without even the guilt of killing. So stop the rat menace and make bitter a part of your regular maintenance. Bitter se rat bhagao.